Kiss me where our fire burns.
Get it together, boo. She's subtle or whatever. She's subtle. Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am so super excited to share with you guys this recent investment that I did for my YouTube channel. And as you guys could tell, my lighting for this video is popping, and that is due to the fact that I have invested and I purchased this ring light that I have above me. Let me go ahead and use my mirror to show you guys. Ooh. Let me not use my mirror because it's a little dirty, but let me clean it. Let me give it a quick wipe so you guys could see my current situation. So here is the ring light and here is my phone. I am using the ring light to help me with the lighting, but I am also using my window is open, but I kind of feel like closing them because it's a little too much light and I'm getting hot. Although this ring light that I'm using does not heat up. That is one thing I noticed yesterday. I had it on for about a good 25 solid minutes and it wasn't heating up. But I'll make sure to get into the ring light itself. But first off and foremost, I have to show this because whenever I see unboxings on things that I feel like purchasing, I want to see how they come packaged. So this is a ring light and it is from the brand Ubeesize. It came in the Amazon box. Now one thing I honestly wasn't too happy about is that it did not come in with like any airbags or bubble wrap to protect the light. Although the light is working, nothing is damaged, but just to be on the safe side, you guys should think of putting some bubble wrap. Just a quick thought of mine. I still get nervous in front of the camera. Let me just break out my motherfucking comfort zone and get comfortable right now, okay? And if that means me being cringy, then that's what it means, because I just need to be myself on camera and I need to get used to being in front of the camera because I plan on doing this more often, and that's on period. But anyways, here is the box where everything came in. So the ring light itself came packaged in this small box. Here inside not only was the ring light, but it also came with like this fabric travel case for the ring light. That was that from the box. And then right underneath that there was this smaller box. You have your quick pick Bluetooth remote shutter, and it basically tells you the instructions to pair it either with your Android or iOS device. I'm not using this at the moment, but I plan on using it maybe later on in the near future if I want to take some selfies, you know what I'm saying. But this is how the remote control looks like. You have the option for iOS or Android, and you just, it's like a snap shutter button. And this, if I'm not mistaken, is also a, what is this? Let me go get the user manual because I do not want to be saying anything that isn't right. So let me go get that. It's like getting hot in my room, but that's because I have a big window and the sun is up and shining through the window. But anyways, here is the user manual that came inside the same box where the ring light came in. It looks like this. Tells you how to assemble and how to switch from a ring light stand to a selfie stick or a camera slash smartphone tripod. And here are the instructions on how to assemble the ring light. Why I went to go get this for is because I did not know what this is. This is basically a phone holder, or yeah, that's what this is. Let me take it out the packaging. I did not take it out the packaging because I don't plan on using it anytime soon. But since this is a hashtag unboxing slash review, I guess, I'll make sure to go ahead and show it to you guys. So it comes like this. And you open it like this. You attach it to where the regular ring light would be attached right now, and it extends for you to be able to put in either a cell phone or I don't know what else could fit here, but this is where it screws onto the tripod. This is a travel case that the ring light came with. It's very nice, velvety material. It's super soft, super cute, and I love the color. And now inside the box, this is how it came in, and this is how it looks. In this compartment of the box is where the actual stand itself came in. There is nothing else in the box. I have shown you guys completely everything that came inside the box. Now let's get into the actual ring light itself. But before I do that, I want to make sure to show you guys the 3 different light settings that this specific ring light has. So this is the first light setting. It's more of a natural lighting. It is somewhat LED, but also it has this slight yellow tone to it, so it doesn't make me look too yellow, too pale, too dark, too white. So here is the other light setting. This is the LED setting. As you can see, this is more of a cool tone. Right now it looks phenomenal since I am also using my window lighting, so it doesn't make me look too pale. I tried to use this as just the lighting itself at nighttime yesterday when I got it, and I looked a little too pale, girl, too pale. But right now, like I said, I am filming in front of my window also, and as you guys could see, the lighting is bomb, period. Now here is the warm tone lighting, girl. I'm not a big fan of this specific lighting setting because it makes me look a little too yellow, girl. And as you guys could see, the lighting was much better with the other 2 light settings. So I'll go back to the one that I had first filming this video, which was this one right here. And as you guys could see, it's much better, whatever. And I'll go to the other one, which is LED, so you guys could see the difference once again right here. That's the LED. And once again, the more yellow tone / orange setting. This light also has a remote where you could control, obviously turn it on and off, the light setting that you want to use, and also the brightness level. So right now I have it to the maximum capacity, but I could also make it less brighter. So here it is. So this is as lowest as it goes. Let me show you guys on the mirror. As you guys could see, the ring light is still on. Let me increase it to what I had it. That's to the maximum of brightness. And that applies to the same 2 other settings. Let me show you guys. Here is the cool tone LED light setting, and I'm gonna go ahead and decrease the light just like I did with the previous one so you guys could see. That's how it looks. It's still on, lowest light setting. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make it as bright as it could be again in the white LED setting. And there's that for that. And next on to the yellow setting. Whew, I am running out of breath, I tell ya. But anyways, here's the yellow light setting. And that's as bright as that goes right now. Let me go ahead and decrease it so you guys could see once again. And here's the lowest light setting for the yellow tone. And we're back to the regular light setting. Now, all there is left to do is tell you guys my opinion and thoughts on this ring light. It was $35.99 with free shipping since I did order it from Amazon and I got free shipping included, and I got this within the next day. Literally, I ordered it at the day before yesterday and then I got it yesterday, so shipping was great. There is no complaints on that. The light performs well, it does what it has to do. The price on it was super inexpensive. And I need some water, girl. I need some water because my throat. It's getting a little dry. That's why I sound like this. But maybe I should talk in a lower voice because I don't want my throat to hurt. I'm just playing with you. But anyways, yeah, my quick thoughts, final thoughts on this ring light. It is a must if you are a beginner YouTube channel like I am. You guys see this lighting is great. Literally, you see? Y'all can see my imperfections even if I try to cover it, girl. But as long as you're facing it straight on forward to the camera, there is no issues with shadows or any of that. I do have it a little bit slanted downwards. The light is not bulky, it's not heavy whatsoever. It doesn't seem cheap for the price, for what you pay. It is worth more than what you paid for, like some other previous persons had said on the reviews. Great light, very inexpensive, gets the job done, and it gets it done well. Let me show you guys the ring light itself. Showing you guys the ring light. So this is the ring light currently on. I also did forget to mention that it also came with this phone stand includer. Oh my goodness, can someone teach me how to say included? Because clearly I'm having issues. But anyways, this is another phone stand that it came with. This one doesn't have to be mounted onto this like the other one. This one you simply click and you put it onto the actual stand itself, and that's how that looks. That's what I was using to film right now. This is the ring light. And to be honest, I have no trouble whatsoever. Yesterday when I was playing around with it, having it fully extended, it could reach my face perfectly, so there is no issue if you want to take bomb Instagram selfie or standing videos. Cable, and here is the remote and the cable. Obviously power on, power off. Something that I really like about this remote is the light. You guys could see it's very pretty. Once it's off, it has this blue light setting to it. Go ahead and turn it on. This cycle is basically what you use to control which light setting you want, not the brightness but the tone to it. Here is the tone that I was using to film. I'll make sure to change it into the LED right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and there it goes. Here is the more blue/white LED tone. Go ahead and change it once again, and here is the warm tone setting, and it has the increase and decrease brightness buttons. Self-explanatory. And yeah, this basically concludes today's video. I hope you guys really did find this helpful, and if you did, please subscribe, show me some love and support. I would truly appreciate it. And leave a comment down below if you have any questions or anything that you enjoyed, or if I was able to help you with today's video. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye. I almost forgot to include this very important part. So this is how the actual cable of the light looks, the one that comes attached to it. It just comes like this. This could be used in a portable charger, or if you have a laptop, a PC, or whatever, or it could be used with a phone charger, like an iPhone charger. But just make sure that it doesn't go over 5 volts, the outage, because that could damage the light. I had seen that in the instructions. So this one that I'm using, this is what I mean by the output. You just gotta make sure that it's 5 volts maximum. Output source 5 volts. As long as it doesn't go over 5 volts, then you should be good. And yeah, I just wanted to make sure I stated that in this video.